What if you could replace 5 AI subscriptions with just one app? Let me show you what's actually included in Studio AI. I want to show you what you actually get with a single subscription. I'm not sponsored by Studio AI, and this isn't a paid promotion. I'm simply sharing a tool that I've found useful in my own content creation workflow. If you'd like to try it yourself, I'll leave my referral link in the description. If you sign up using that link, we both receive free coins to use inside the app at no extra cost to you. If you're creating content with AI, you probably know how quickly the costs add up. One app for images, another for videos, another for voice, another for logos. Before you know it, you're paying for several subscriptions every month. With Studio AI, you can access multiple AI tools all in one place. Need to create or edit images? You have powerful image generation and editing tools, including Nano Banana. Want to generate AI videos? Studio AI gives you access to video generation models like Grok, so you can bring your ideas to life in just a few clicks. Need background music for your videos? There's an AI music generator built in. Creating a brand? You can generate logos without leaving the app. And when you need help writing scripts, brainstorming ideas, or improving your content, you also have access to ChatGPT, all from the same platform. Instead of switching between different websites and managing multiple subscriptions, everything is organized in one place, which saves time and makes content creation much simpler. But there's a catch. Every generation uses credits. The more images and videos you create, the faster those credits disappear. That's why I recommend experimenting with free tools first. Once you're happy with your idea, bring it into Google AI Studio to create the final polished version. For example, if my video is discussing side hustles, technology, or AI, Nano Banana can create unique video clips that fit the narrative. What I like most is the flexibility. If I don't like a scene, I simply adjust the prompt and generate another version. This gives me creative control without needing advanced video production skills. That's the main reason I use Studio AI. Having everything together helps me stay focused on creating content instead of constantly jumping between different apps. If you found this helpful, follow along, because in my next video, I'll show you a very useful tool that lets you create your own avatar and take your content creation to another level.